we skip to the good part.
To kick off my beauty maintenance routine, the first stop was having my brows threaded. I haven't had my brows threaded in over 6 months. Like literally, my brows was so bushy. So what I do is basically just use the razor to carve and shape my brows. I needed to treat myself, so I had to take myself to the salon to get it threaded. This lady actually did a good job. However, she bruised me just underneath the brows. I think she went in too hard on the thread, which literally caused my skin to react to it, but it was nothing serious at all. I actually like how it turned out. It was really thin and nice, and it just made me look so cute. I absolutely loved it, guys. I cried premium tears. Threading is so painful, but I think the reward is worth it. They say beauty is pain in it, so I mean, the pain of being a woman. And then the next stop was my dental appointment. I mentioned to you guys earlier that I wanted to have my teeth cleaned, like a deep clean. So I found one very close to my house, which was really good. And it wasn't too expensive as well. I think I paid about £65 for the deep cleaning. And the lady did a phenomenal job. She did a very good job. I think this is the best I've had my teeth cleaned. I've had it cleaned like a couple of times, but I feel like this is the best so far. The lady was so thorough. Like, she went in a real deep. When you talk about deep cleaning, the lady actually deep cleaned my teeth. It felt so fresh and clean afterwards, but it was quite painful as well. She did use a numbing cream, but I feel like that didn't actually do too much because I could still feel the pain. I was just showing you guys what the teeth looks like after the cleaning, and it looks really good. And then a quick mirror selfie break because your girl is looking cute, okay? And then next up, I went to the salon to take off my acrylics. I was actually tempted to do a new set, but guys, do you know how acrylics actually spoils your nail bed? I was very tempted to do a new set, but after the guy took off the acrylics from my hands, guys, the way my nail bed was looking, it did not look good at all. The guy even actually hurt me. So you know the drill that they used to take off the acrylic nails. I feel like the guy went in so deep that it actually hurt my nail bed, and because of that, I just told him that I wasn't going to do a new set, that he should just take off the old one and basically just leave my nails the way it is, because I was even so upset. I was so angry because it was so painful. Can you see that drill he's using? He literally went in so deep and it hurt my nail bed. I usually hear people saying that acrylic nails just not really go well with your nails, like it actually damages your nails, but I'm like, how bad can it be? But my experience this day was so horrible that I got so upset, and I just told him just take it off and leave my nails the way it is. And I decided to just do my press-on nails, which I'll show you guys later.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever you make me feel.
This is what my natural nails look like. It was actually slightly red. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it was nothing too bad. And then next up was me getting my facials done. So this is the lady I used for my micro dermabrasion session. I told you guys I have 6 sessions. I've used 4. So this one was the 5th session. So I have one left. I love this lady. She does my face so well. Like, she actually pampers my face, and when I leave the bed, my face is always glowing. This microdermabrasion session is really good. Like I always say, helps just remove the dead skin from your face, and it just basically leaves your face glowing.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait
I
upon.
also wanted to take off my cornrow. The cornrow was a hot mess. So basically, I wanted to take it off and then just relax my hair because my hair was quite due as well. So I went into the beauty store to grab myself my relaxer. And I got the extra strength one just because my hair is so stubborn, literally so stubborn. So I had to get the extra strength one so it can relax very well. And then I went to the salon to get it done.
And I'ma wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways. But it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
And then after I relaxed my hair, I wanted to get a lash extension. I definitely did not mention as well in my intro I was going to do this because it was quite last minute. I just thought, why not? I mean, since I'm going all out on my beauty treatment, I might as well include a lash extension. And guys, this lash extension was not it at all. Literally, I couldn't see the difference between my original lashes and the extended lashes. It was invisible. I literally could not see it, so I just wasted my time, to be honest. She said it's the classic lashes, and with the classic one you don't really see a huge difference. But guys, why didn't you tell me before I actually sat down or lay down on the bed? It was afterwards she was telling me that, oh, my natural lashes is coily and whatnot, so it won't be really obvious. Anyway, I wasn't really pleased with the lashes, but I still looked cute regardless. And then I went into TK Maxx to just browse through it and see what they had in store. They have like really nice skincare products. I'm just showing you guys a few that I found here. Finally got home after a long day. I was so tired, but I also wanted to fix my press-on nails I told you guys I'll be doing. So I'm just showing you guys the press-on nails I have. I was really not sure which one to use, but as you can see, I ended up going for this one. I actually got this one from TK Maxx. So when I went to TK Maxx, I saw this one and it was also on sale. I think I got it for £3 and it looked really beautiful, so I was like, why not? The other one I was showing you all was from Shein. I think that one was in my previous Shein haul. If you guys haven't watched that, check that out. So I'm just basically putting it on. It doesn't take time at all. The nails actually comes with what's it called now, a nail file. That took a second for me to remember. So yeah, the nail came with the file and it also came with a glue, but I decided to use the glue I bought from Amazon. I told you all that one of you actually recommended a glue to me. This one is called the brush on nail glue, if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave the name on the screen and also leave the link in the description box for you all if you're looking to get it. But basically this glue should actually keep my nails on for at least a week, so minimum a week. So fingers crossed, because the lady that recommended it to me in the comment section said she's used it before and it lasts for at least 2 weeks, but I'm just saying 1 week because 1 week to me is like I'm pushing it. So fingers crossed. I'll let you guys know how well this glue does on my nail because it wasn't cheap. I think I paid about £10 for this nail glue, which is quite expensive. I haven't had to pay that much for a nail glue before, but I'm hoping that it works, because if it works, then it would be worth it, because I can use it for different applications to come. Like, I'm not even going to do my acrylic nails again, because I just want my nail bed to heal basically. So I think the nails I'll be doing moving forward will just be my press-ons for the time being, or I might just polish my nails, like use a gel nail polish, and that would be it. But I don't think I'll have acrylics done anytime soon. Well, that might change, but right now I don't think I would have acrylics done anytime soon. So yeah, this is me just basically applying the nails on me. It doesn't take long at all. I think this took me like 10 minutes. It doesn't take long at all, really.
Showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
So this is what the nails look like. It's really so beautiful. I love how it turned out, and I also love the color as well. It's in this subtle nude color. The nails are slightly long, but I do not mind. It's just beautiful. It's perfect. And then after fixing my nails, it was time to prepare something to eat. So here I'm just making fried yam. Fried yam is one of my favorite food. Like, I remember when I used to have fried yam literally almost every day, well, until it got expensive. Yam is not cheap, so we have to mind how we eat it, okay?
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
scholarship you were going for.
Mabel,
Oh, just keep quiet. I knew it. My instincts told me that you had started again. But I said, Mabel, come on, stay positive. Your darling husband has learned his lesson. He has changed. But then, I opened up your gift. And guess what I found? This. Does this look like a wife size? Does it? It's obviously not my. Hey! Auntie, what do you think you're doing? Sit down there. Don't let me change it for you yet.
The Nigerian movie I'm watching is so interesting. Oh my days, that movie is so funny. I'll leave the name of the movie on the screen and also in the description box for you all if you want to check it out. I think it's on Netflix, either Netflix or Amazon Prime, but I believe it's Netflix. Anyways, I'll have a look for you all and leave the name in the description box and where you can watch it. This is
With
the end of the
rest, you'll be
vlog, guys. I
learning how to
hope you all
breathe.
have enjoyed
Spinning
watching
through
it, and
identity,
I'll catch you all
revealing
in
another
my
pretty
next one.
little scheme.
Bye.
Save her
Mwah.